going to show you how to make this cute little flower. This is a yo-yo. It's made out of fabric, and then I used paper, ribbon, and a picture frame I had lying around my house. Everything I found in my house. You can be creative and you could actually use something else for the middle part. So let me show you how to make a yo-yo. Hi there, this is my fabric that I'm going to use to make a yo-yo. It is 6 inches in diameter, and it will actually make, I have one done, it will make this size of a yo-yo, and we'll talk about this one a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to have the non-pattern size facing up. I'm going to take my needle here, because I have a needle threaded, and I'm going to start here towards the edge, but not, you don't have to be real close. And I'm actually gonna pull this through, and you're gonna keep going around. You're gonna weave it back in and out. It doesn't have to be any certain length apart, just best guess, estimate, doesn't matter. And you're gonna go all the way around like so. Just keep going. And I will be back when I make it all the way around. All right, so I went all the way around. I finished near where I started, but I didn't overlap my starting point. And now I'm just going to pull this, not tight because it cinches up real nice and easy. Get it so your fabric is kind of tucked inside, and there we go. And this is a little bit bigger than my other one, so my measurements are a little bit off because, like I said, I just took a pair of scissors and cut a circle. So there we go. I picked a pink button for this, but first I'm gonna, of course, start right here. And then I'm gonna put the button on top, and I'm just gonna go back and forth until the button feels secure. Go. There we go. And then same with this one. This one I chose a yellow and orange button. Start with putting the yellow one on. And then put the orange one on top. Sometimes you gotta move some stuff around. Maybe start like this. There you go. And then just like that. Probably put a few more stitches in there. All right, so I made some leaves out of fabric, and here's my fabric, and here's one of the leaves. I already glued the other ones on, so I would just glue that one right here, like so. And then here's my other yo-yo that I just finished up. I already glued this one on. So I'm just gonna use tacky glue. If you have Elmer's glue, that will work too. Super glue would work too, whatever you have laying around your house. And I just put it on, nothing crazy, just enough to where it will stay on there. And just spread it around. And it right here. And this is almost the finished product. Let's do this here real quick. There we go, all done. This one does not have grass. I used paper for the grass over here, but very simple to make and fun.